I'm replacing my flexible aluminum dryer duct with a Magvent MV 90, and this connects to rigid aluminum duct, which is safer and easier to clean. This comes in two parts. The 90-degree section connects to your rigid duct. The straight section connects to the exhaust port on your dryer, and this just moves forward and backward, so it's not going to kink and restrict airflow like flexible aluminum ductwork can, which can be a fire hazard. They connect together with strong magnets, and this makes it easy to pull your dryer out so you can routinely clean the lint from the ductwork. To figure out how high to mount your 90, you're going to measure up from the floor to the center of the exhaust port on the dryer. You want the center of the 90 to be at the same height. To remove the bracket that holds the 90, you just squeeze it. It has a hole in the center, and you can use that as a reference for the height you want. I'm going to be using adjustable elbows to connect my rigid duct, and these can be adjusted to any angle up to 90 degrees. I measured up to where I want the center of my bracket, and because I'm going into concrete, I'm going to drill a hole and put in a concrete screw, and I'll just snug it down so I can move this and adjust the angle to where I want to put my final screws. I'm going to be using Tapcons, and on the packaging they give you the drill bit size that you need. I'm using a piece of tape on the drill bit so my hole is only as long as I need it. Now I'm going to snug up the screw. I'll put the elbow onto the bracket so I can adjust the angle. If you have to adjust the length of your rigid ductwork, make sure you do the cutting before you assemble it. I adjusted my elbows so the pipes line up. Now I'm going to cut a short section of pipe. To connect the pipe, there's a tongue and a groove. I marked the angle I want, and now I'll add another screw. I'm going to use metal dryer vent tape to hold the sections together. I'm going to connect the straight piece with an adjustable clamp. To connect it, you just push this back to the 90. Then it's easy to pull away your dryer when it's time to clean the duct.